Hello friends, welcome back to the newest clip of FR Clips. I'm your host FRKJR and alongside Rakshit. Yeah, let's go for it. Different tabs. First of all, let's go for it. Yeah, this app is called DailyHunt. You have heard about it in various ads and various features. So DailyHunt. So you can see the ratings of DailyHunt. Uh, let's see the ratings of DailyHunt if you don't believe, because yeah, here you can see it had been given 4.2 star and it has been downloaded 100 million times. Oh yeah. So you can open it. There is no need of log in with your number or Facebook or anything. You can just see the news, and this is official 100% Indian app. You can see all the news, you can see all the best news, all the verified news. Where you are following some, you can share about the coronavirus, discovery by everything, cricket, about information about the cricket. You will get everything here. It is very a good app. See, you can see my city, you can see the discovery plus, everything, every information you can get here. It's very useful for everybody. Beautiful app for who are waiting for what is happening in this world, where they cannot get news. This is the best app where they can explore the news, what is happening around the world. That's all, guys. If you like this video, then like it. If you want to express your views on this video, then comment it. If you want to share this video to your friends, then share it. If you're a new member who is watching this video, then subscribe that button. Oh yeah, have a yap up day.